This is Mariano from Gloodata, and these days I've been playing with this dataset from Healthcare.gov with Find Local Help. I was looking for some dataset with geolocation, and also I downloaded all the zip code data from the United States. So let's see what we can do with this. I created a chart of organizations by state. So let's see how they group. We can see that Florida is the biggest one, followed by Texas. So if I click in the bar for Florida, it will tell me it can find local help there, or show me organizations by city there. So I can chart organization by city, and let's find local help in Florida. I can zoom to the top and see that the first one is Miami, followed by Miami in uppercase, followed by Orlando, then Tampa, another city, then Miami again in lowercase, then Orlando in uppercase. This tells me that the dataset is not cleaned properly, and if I zoom at the tail, probably I'm going to see many weird cities too. So we have then local help for Florida, and we can see the clusters. Probably these are the biggest cities: Orlando, Miami, maybe Tampa. But we can see an outlier here. This clearly is not Florida. So if I click, it tells me that it can show local help for the state of Florida. We're coming from there, but it can also find local help for that zip code, and we immediately see that it's called Little Elm, Texas, not Florida. And it can show detailed information for that organization, so we can do that. And we can see that it's registered as Florida with this zip code, and if we click in the zip code, we can get details for that zip code and clearly tell that it's not in Florida. Maybe it's an error, maybe they can register different data for personal places and for organizations. And as this is a map, we can zoom in, and the clusters are going to display more detail. We can of course change the state, so let's see Georgia. And we can also freeform search orgs called community, and I get a list of all the ones. And if I click on one row, it's going to tell me probably that organization, yeah, it's in Mississippi, so we can find local help there. You can find local help for the zip code of the organization, or I can see details for the organization. I can do the same for zip codes, so search zip Beverly. I don't know many zip codes, but I know this one. And we can tell that Beverly Hills has more than one zip code, the one I know and the others. And there are other places in the United States that have Beverly as a name. And we can continue there by, for example, looking for organizations in that zip code. And maybe there's none. So in this case, it's empty, so nothing to see there. So as you can see, with two tables, let's say, this one from a CSV and this one for zip codes, we can create different components that display the same data in different perspectives. But not only that, by registering different types, Gloodata gives us the navigation and the drill down and the interactivity for free. If you would like to learn more, visit Gloodata.com or contact me on social media. Bye.